Anita Dominic, an award-winning FGM ambassador. Today on the International Day of the FGM, we are here to celebrate the decline of the FGM, all the 4 types of FGM. The first one being the cutting of the clitoris, the second one, removing of the foldings, that is the labia minora and the labia majora, and then type 3, which is the reduction of the vagina, and type 4, which is the any harm done to the genital part of the female. Today we are so happy celebrating the decline, and today we have come so as to advocate more people, to bring more people so as to advocate against FGM, which is a violence to the girl child because it has no biological meaning to it. Yes. I was awarded by the Agent Nations, that is on 2022, still in high school, due to the many campaigns that I've done against FGM. I've also been supporting the girl child by providing sanitary pads because the FGM, after undergoing the FGM, it affects the menstruation period, and also giving all the necessities to the girls, such as the underwears. And I'm looking forward to the 0% tolerance to FGM by 2030. I started my campaign against FGM when I was 10, after getting some information from my father, after getting a threat from my grandmother to be circumcised. But at the moment I'm happy because my grandmother has said no to this cut, which is a violation to us, and I was able to be awarded in 2022.